Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase, and these are some of the top stories making headlines today. Now, it has been confirmed by law enforcement and also the network provider. A cell site analyst showed that Donna Lee Donaldson's mobile phone was last located on a network cell tower on July the 12th in the vicinity of Maitland's apartment. The cop's cell phone, this is Noel Maitland, the murder accused, his cell phone was also pinged off the same location, same cell tower, at the very same time. Now, this was the last time Donna Lee's phone pinged off any cell tower. Now, if Mr. Maitland and Donna Lee Donaldson was at the same location when her phone just stopped connecting to a network, while his phone continued to make calls and continued to send text messages, clearly, he was the last person to see her alive. Her last texts and phone calls were made around him. Even though Maitland's attorney is stating that the evidence is circumstantial, the judge has pointed out that even though Maitland is still maintaining his innocence, and with that point of view has refused to give up Donna Lee Donaldson's body, the judge is stating that an individual can be convicted with this type of circumstantial evidence, and even without a body being present. We have seen it done. But talk to me in the comment section. Do you feel that this is evidence enough to prove that one, Maitland, the murder accused, was the last to see Donna Lee Donaldson alive? And based on the evidence of the apartment itself, stating that a murder did take place. And this is what law enforcement is saying. Yeah, tell me, say law enforcement, they know when a murder scene is a murder scene, them know. Tell me if you feel like this is enough evidence to prove that Maitland committed the crime. Drop a like on the video and comment in the comment section. Now on to the other stories making headlines today.
People, yeah, this are the biggest youth ladies are adapt. Now, there's a continuous recurring problem with this lady for over 20 odd years. Now, all of the videos them and thing want to say out on TikTok and rare. Yeah, every single one of them. And the reality is, I see if we are trying to save our face for basically not go too hard with this. So basically we have to go hard with it based on where we are get. Because right now, one thing we actually deal with this lady with for a good one. And it's for tell her, say, yeah, the land where we name the pan, make sure we just want it sell so we can get our money and go about with business, go do our thing. We don't want them amongst them. We establish that with them. Because these people are some evil. Right now, you see lady say she come out back in the whole dancehall thing. Yeah, she wasn't what she was trying to trick everyone out about. This woman is confused. No, I just one thing, go on, and it's for sell land. Because this woman, the reality of it is, yeah, she and her whole family them from the time when she adapt we for the clout and we the upper yard. This woman and her people them the power back every single day. For just no reason at all. Cause I guess what, our brother them and our sister them say, me and my brother come in and feed them way and I stop what them forget. So guess what, from them time there, the only thing we really hear from that woman here is for come out our house, come out our house, come out our house for no reason at all. Because people always use we as scapegoat to create problem with we so them can draw closer to her. I don't know why them do it or why them see if do things that way there, but the bag of wood there with them at work and the devils them with them have a work with them, this is how them tell them to perform. And at 20 odd years we are deal with these people till we even have to shift ourselves. And so we are stay away from them people. Again, people may go to college. And this woman, her sister, because she go buy thief in laptop. This a lady, sir. Buy thief in laptop and the people them track them laptop. This woman make her sister tell her, say, because me a Muslim, these people are look for police come our yard, I look for me because of me. And when I thief in laptop, ladies are buy the police, them a track everywhere where ladies are go. And what them do? Them take my laptop when me I go to college with all of my project them and schoolwork pan to finish my hospitality course and them take it on light fire and dash it in there. So every progress what me try to make in a life, these people stop me and my brother, them always stop it. At 3 times we have to go the same college people. And this woman make we have to drop out. So everything we have to do in our life, our downfall in our life is on behalf of ladies and our working sister, our rapist brother, our thieving sister of a Portmore we empty out our bank account, and all of them dirty people that she have run our way down her out. Now, this woman come and send voice note to talk about if you leave out our house, talk about brother if you leave out our house. And one thing we that tell your woman, make we sell, we land and go about with business. We don't want to have nothing to do with you. So now, when you send that the voice note there talk about say, yo, your house in a bad state and you take the youth, you take my brother from Kingston and run him out of Kingston because of your working fucking rapist, brother, right? And then you send him out on the road for go nowhere. For go, after you take people pitney and talk about say you're mother and you want to be mother. You send people, take people pitney, mash up them life and then I joke them a road after the youth at work and I take care of him little family and I try sort out himself. Just because you're a working brother, we always a trouble where you stand up through kitchen window and see the man a chuck in our neck back and then what you do? You turn around and cuss we and run way out of the yard. You take my brother from the yard and run him out and you him there watch it and all him do him sell the land make we get more money so we can go about with business, right? And you have your sister down there mess with him. Listen, my lady, you not even understand, and then you come and send voice note to come talk about say him mash up your house after you don't have no money for bill up, you don't have no money for paint your house, even when you send grill man there, you can't even pay the grill man enough money for fix back your grill where there your front yard, you come and talk about you crawl through window, and my brother mash up your house, my brother don't mash up your house up there ratting down and lizard that shit up in night, rat but living night, roach in night, and run up and down everywhere. When if you do, if you take nothing where you give him and fix up your house for you come and talk about him and walk on eggshell, remember say you just start all of this right now, and guess what? I launch, we are going to launch off everything. You think say people think you are seeing, after they are split up one bag of bad word what they
I ask why this have to be out in eye open, why is this being presented to the world and so on and so forth, and whosoever say, oh, you know, tarnish the human reputation and blah blah blah. Again, as myself, I don't really know nothing, so I wanna just talk a lot. And if this woman had her own head on her body and stopped being manipulated by her sister and brother, then things wouldn't be here. Probably you wouldn't even know anything where going in other family here. But this is not how these people function, so we just have to sort out where I sort out. Now, me I go show you now what me I talk about. Yeah. What the ladies are married, right? She married to a white man, right? And now, them basically, they on divorce now. Basically, after 1 week after their marriage, them they on divorce. Why? First thing, the main problem is the ladies and her sister and her brother them. The black witch named Jasriana. The worst brother where she have name sample, never hold a job in her life, rape a lot, thief a lot, and sell off all her things them. These are the people where all are done with them whole. And because of these people, this is why our marriage end in a 1 week. And as I say, ladies, I should thank her beloved sister. Yeah, we fly her mouth a lot. So basically this lady and the man married, right? And the man give her money. And what she want to do? She want to take the money and send come give her brother and her sister them. The man tell her, say, here what go on. Me, not in a that. Cause her brother and sister them a big man and big woman, and this brother see how them when I roll for a long time, she said them worthless. So the man say, here what, me give you money? Yeah, you do what you want with the money, except giving it to your brother and your sister them. Cause, yeah, him don't like them. These people are waste. So even people from outside come and see say them are waste, right? So the man say, oh, do not give these people my money. So, she get mad and pack up fair things and left the man house. Say, if she can use him, the money where him a give her, to do what she want to do, and get send go give her brother and sister them. If she can do that, then, yeah, she and him not go there in no marriage, basically. As our brother and sister, the first time this woman I get married in her life and somebody pick her up, say them actually I go marry her. This woman cause her own marriage for end just because her sister and her brother, just because she can't support her sister and her brother anymore. So this is how ladies end up to be divorced in a week. Now people, these people don't have any remorse for me. Them don't have no remorse for my brother. That's why I give them like an interview here and make whosoever push them out. Because people need to understand, say, we are not the problem and we don't look problem and we are never looking problem from these people. We always try to stay out of them way, but them always come over in our lane and try damage every single thing for we. This is how we end up in a jail for them people here. May I tell you, we end up in a jail for them people here just because of the same greed. So ladies basically lose our own marriage because our sister Jasriana and our brother Sample, our sister Precious we over Port more, and the next one we down in a high gate where I walk them over upon her. All because of these people. If you support these people, she lose for our marriage. Because the reality is, it's not like say the brother I'd like nobody in our family. He don't like nobody in our family. But him really hate them people them more. Because from him I come around him say, yo, these people don't have nothing in a them way say progression. Everybody come, money, then get money, them gone about them business. Then the next day you see them back again in ICM zone. These people don't have nothing about progress with them and them don't even think about doing anything for themselves. The waste brother name Sample him get over 9-10 car. And him don't have one for sure right now. The way sister, named Jasriana, the half jacket sister, she thief up how much money with she and ladies are same mother. Where, yeah, Jasriana jacket, where she bring come, the mother bring come, and have her latch and pan. ladies are after ladies are boss. So from them time there, I be a war bed at work, fi get ladies are things, and the amount of millions where that the woman rob up from ladies are and then push her in a dog bite situation, and she's still there on her right now. She thief money for build up a bigger house than her over for her head up in a chancery, and then she thief up more money come buy build up house down in a Ochi. She have to the close to ladies are. This is why ladies are even buy her ticket what day, send her up in a foreign where she near where she there, she control her head more. That's it, people. And then after that, what happened? She sent the same wicked, dirty woman where ladies are, instead of go pay the woman where they get the dog bite the money, she pay money for bring up this woman in a foreign. And then this woman up a foreign, the same problem when she down here, I give my brother down a watch it. Guess what she do? She called down there with 2 little stray youth. She sent 2 little stray youth when not even live in a uptown community. If you come down in a uptown community, just because she down there, if you create problem with my brother down there. So the youth them go over yard, go stab up my brother back to them, and them don't know who them a play with. It's because of certain things my brother hold himself. And them don't understand, but this is how this woman function. She will always try send people coming your way, and then guess what? Ladies are pick up for her and say, oh, and me send them down there and re. So you see, ladies are always in a for them problem, and I sort out for them problem for them. So if they're wrong, ladies are will always say them right. So this is how fair marriage end, because of the same demon them what she have run her and them not gone. So I really actually think that this lady have her head on her body and thinks that this lady is actually fit to lead nobody. You don't think this lady can even split justice? Why you don't think them video they are up on TikTok in the first place? If this lady could have sit down with you and have a conversation and actually sift out truth from falsehood, if you say yes, oh, are you correct, are you wrong, and are you right? If she could have done that, none of this would be here. So now have an unstable woman basically who come like a Mary. Lead Uno. Say, she lead Uno towards the creator.